Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of k in these nice algebra equations, given that k to the power of 2 divided by k to the power of 2 plus k to the power of 4 plus k to the power of 6 equals 1. So to solve this one, we are going to consider from this denominator as we have numerator as k to the power of 2 divided by, so when we factor out k to the power of 2 here, so we create a parenthesis as when we divide the first one with k to the power of 2, we have it as 1 plus, so the second one, when we divide it by k to the power of 4, we are going to have it as k to the power of 2 plus the last one, which reduces to k to the power of 4, and everything equals 1. So with what we have here, this and this cancelled. So after the cancellations, we have at the top, which remains 1 divided by 1 plus k to the power of 2 plus k to the power of 4, everything equals 1. So then we try to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply here, we are going to have this as 1 plus k squared plus k to the power of 4 equals 1. Then we take 1 to other sides, as this side still remain k to the power of 2 plus k to the power of 4 equals 1 minus 1. And next we have k to the power of 2 plus k to the power of 4 equals 0. And to get the values of k, here we have k squared and k to the power of 4. Then we have to factor out k to the power of 2 again. Then here remains 1 plus k to the power of 2. Then everything equals 0. So given this kind of expression, we are going to let k to the power of 2 equals 0, or we consider 1 plus k to the power of 2 equals 0. So therefore, at this point, we have k equals 0. And we start this. Then for this one also, we try to transfer 1 to other sides, as we have k squared equals 0 minus 1. Then we have this as k squared equals 0 minus 1, that gives us minus 1. Then we have to take the square root of both sides to get the value of k. So by doing that, we have the square root of k squared equals, here is plus or minus the square root of minus 1. So when this and this cancelled, we have only the value of k, which is equivalent to plus or minus the square root of minus 1. But we have to note that for this square root of minus 1, anytime we have root minus 1 is given as I, which is iota. Therefore, we replace k, which is plus or minus I. So here is the solutions that satisfy this problem, as k equals to plus or minus I is only the complex solution that we have. So when we try to consider this, k equals to 0, so we don't want to have an undefined equation. So because when we substitute here, we are not going to have a result, as the numerator and denominator gives us 0 divided by 0. So which means we are going to reject this, as the only solution here is plus or minus I. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do it to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.